hands curling, paint on my hands, blank wall staring like it understands. Little red ember glowing in a tray, heartbeat lazy, drifting half a day. Earthy black canvas, I lose my name in it, stare till the past falls off the edge of it. Earthy black canvas, breath like a tide in me. Every old bruise fades in the quiet bleed. Ash on the windowsill, coffee gone cold, echo of laughter from stories I told. Silent confession spelled in the dust. I let the color grow over us. Oh, early black canvas, I lose my name in it, stare till the past falls off the edge. distance. One lamp humming over stone. Your head resting on my shoulder. Both of us two still to move. Barely the emotion, rocking like the tide in slow devotion. Every little thought in slow commotion. You and me just floating, floating in that belly the emotion. Minutes stretch like warm molasses. Name fades soft upon your tongue. Leave it there between the glasses. Let it hang and then be gone. Barely the emotion, rocking like the tide in slow devotion. Every little thought in slow commotion. You and me just floating, floating in that belly the emotion. Steam from the kettle, sun in the blinds, ash in the tray, cool in my mind. I've been running on worry, I've been chasing that sound. Now I breathe in the quiet, let the noise fall down. Come all the way down, all the way down, my friend. Oh yeah. Heart like water on stone, slowly smoothing the edges again. Come all the way down, let the trouble drift out of your brow. Nothing you carry alone, just breathe. Come all the way down. Bills on the table, names on my phone. Storm on the headline, still I'm here at home. Cup on the counter, kettle singing so low. Every little small thing teaching me to let go. Come all the way down, all the way down, my friend. Easy now, hot like water on stone, slowly smoothing the edges again. Come all the way down, let the worry just loosen its crown. Lay your head on my chest, we'll breathe. Come all the way down. When the thoughts run circles round and round your bed, I'll be there in the doorway, hand resting on your from your crown. In this quiet we found, we'll breathe and calm all the way down.
On the stove, steam in the glass, frost on the window, night moving past, old wool sweater, thread coming loose, silence in the hallway where you cut the truth. Cold comfort fade, drifting like smoke. Cup in the cupboard, lipstick stain, name on a letter, crossed out in pen, clock in the kitchen, hands moving slow, you laugh in the rafters, then it lets go. Cold comfort fade, drifting like smoke. You were my warm, safe place. Now it's just dust on the duvet. Cold comfort fade. Every sweet word turning sideways. I reach, but you slip away. Cold comfort. Cold comfort fade. Used to be fire, now it's just embers. Oh, I talk to the shadows, hope you remember. One last blanket pulled to my chin, I breathe your name out, it don't breathe in. Cold comfort fade, drifting like smoke from the ashtray. You were my warm, safe place. Now it's just dust on the duvet. Cold comfort fade. Every sweet word turning sideways. I reach, but you slip away. Cold comfort.
thick night air. Ash in the tray, page on the table, but I just sit and stare. Smoke ring curl in the dark room, clock hand dragging its heavy hand. Mind drift far past the shoreline, way out past the land. Dreams in vacuum, where the sound just hangs. Heartbeat slow, like a drum in chains. I float so far from the weight and the pain. Dreams in vacuum carry me again. Bare bulbs swing like a slow tide. Radio glow in a distant room. Voices fade into soft rain, then slip into the gloom. Thoughts move slow like cold syrup. Name your fear, let it pass through. Silence hums sweet like a motor, till all that's left is you. Dreams in vacuum, where the sound just hangs. Heartbeat slow, like a drum in chains. I float so far from the weight and the pain. Dreams in vacuum carry me again. Let it pull me under, where the words lose shape. If I never come back, I know I got away. Dreams in vacuum, where the sound just hangs. Heartbeat slow, like a drum in chains. I float so far from the weight. Soft wind in the sugar cane, old dog sleeping by the door. Same wave rolling on the shoreline, I've seen this day before. Steam rising from my black pot, 2 cups waiting on the shelf. You ask me what I'm running from, I say I'm running to myself, myself. Endless gentle loop, round and round we move so slow. Every little breath, come and go, then come once more. Hold me in where the sound moves slower, heartbeat crawling till the pulses roll over. Ribs drift away, dust in the beam. You stay in the room like a bass in my spleen. Smoke in the air, time at a slur. You don't say a thing, but I feel every word. Oh, frozen noise floor, I can feel you underglow. I'm hiding in the crack of the thunder. Frozen noise floor, where the sound moves slower, heartbeat crawling till the pulses roll over. Every breath, little cloud on the ceiling. Every step, tiny shock in my bones, my bones. If the world wants to shout and go louder, we just live in the shiver and the drum. Frozen noise floor, I can feel you underglow. I'm hiding in the crack of the thunder. Frozen noise floor, where the sound moves slower, heartbeat crawling till the pulses roll over. Distant crowd murmur. Fly, just fly. I forgot to read. Phone buzzing in the kitchen, calling me back to speed. You slip your hand around me, turn the ticking into waves. Suddenly the ceiling sky blue, and the ceiling fans a palm tree shade. We glide without time, no number on the wall can find us. We glide without time, heartbeat is the only timer. We glide without time, stay wrapped in this lazy silence. We glide without time, just you and I, an endless old love in a different grade. Say you tired, say you done with this fight, but you lean on my chest till you blend with the night. Lights dim forever, but we still here together in this slow room where the sound wash over my mind. Lights dim forever till the day grow distant and clever in this slow room. I still find your hand in the dark, in the dark. I still find your hand in the dark. Ash on the windowsill, tea gone cold by the bed. Street hum fading to still, old thoughts loud in my head. Curtain breathing in and out, fan spin slow overhead. Phone face shining in doubt, unread words that I left unsaid. Long night drift, I'm just floating in the dark with you. Eyes half closed, but I'm wide awake and falling through. Long night drift, every memory pulls me like the moon. Slow tide shift, I'll be circling till the morning comes.
in the doorway. Old clock stuck at 2. You laugh into your shoulder, say, this night fits you. Street sounds in the distance, soft hum, nothing more. Your head on my heartbeat, bare feet on the floor. In the quiet between stars, we breathe so slow. Let the dark take our scars. Let your breath decide. Let it all fall.
Let it fall, let it fall.
Let it all slide so far, so wide. Name after name, just a wave, just a tide. You are still here, and you're glowing inside. Rest beyond signals, way past the noise, where the night has no questions and the heart has no choice. Rest beyond signals, cut the current line. Let the dark sea hold you, let your breath decide.
chest, unfolding, unfolding. Every breath a little less stress, holding then letting go. Slow bloom pads in my mind, unrolling, unrolling. Taking all this precious time, turning it low. Old shirt, 3 small holes, still hangs right off my frame. Radio low in the corner, saying I'll never be the same. But I just watch the light walk across the floor. Every little shadow shift, I love it more and more. Yeah. Slow bloom pads in my chest, unfolding, unfolding. Every breath a little less stress, holding then letting go. Slow bloom pads in my mind, unrolling, unrolling. Taking all this precious time, turning it low, turning it low. I used to race that clock, chasing a fading sun. Now I let the seconds talk, drip down the spine. Slow like sap in the tree, slow like cloud over sea. If it takes all day, that's fine with me, that's fine with me. Slow bloom pads in my chest, unfolding, unfolding. Every breath a little less stress, holding then letting go. Slow bloom pads in my mind, unrolling, unrolling. Taking all this precious time, turning it low, turning it low. Morning mist on an empty track, red of dust on my sandals back. I leave my name at the old zinc gate, watch my worries dissipate. Soft horizon blur, where the day fades in. I just breathe that air, let the past grow thin. Soft horizon blur, and my heart feels short on this long slow road. I am not so poor, not so poor. Rusty bus roll by, door slam, old man laugh with a paper in his hand. Children chase after bottle caps. Life's so small, but it's still collapsed. Last, then rise, soft horizon blur, where the day fades in. I just breathe that air, fast grow thin, softer rise and blood, and my heart feels short on this long slow road. I am not so poor, hold me short. Every bruise, every broken plan, wash away like the tide from sand. If I reach for you, would you reach back too? Or let me drift into that blue, that blue. Softer eyes and blood, where the day fades in. I just breathe that air, let the past grow thin. Softer eyes and blood, and my heart feels short on this long, slow road. Ooh, Lord. Street choir, smoke curling, heart steady. You say you're mine, run wild at night. Come lay your head right here by mine. Clock on the wall, forget that time. We breathe so slow until it's light. Stay still until morning. Don't talk about leaving. Just rise and fall with me. Stay still until morning. Let the dark keep dreaming. Just rise and fall with me. Rain on the roof, soft as a sigh. Your worries drift further each time. Name every fear, let them all slide. I kiss your hand, you close your eyes. Stay still until morning. Don't talk about leaving. Just rise and fall with me. Stay still until morning. Let the dark keep dreaming. Just rise and fall with me. We don't need answers, we don't need plans, oh no. Just your slow breathing, right where I am. If the world come calling, let it wait outside. We got all we needed here in this night. Stay still until morning. Don't talk about leaving. Just rise and fall with me. Stay still until morning. Let the dark keep dreaming. Just rise and fall with me. Wake gently later, morning can wait. I still clock hand crawling, face turned down, street hum distant, far from this house. Your name on my tongue like a slow, low prayer. I say it, then hear it coming back from the air. Wake up, wake gently later. Let the day run late, run late. I'm holding this moment like smoke on a plate. If the world keeps turning, it can turn alone. Wake gently later. I'm staying in this tone. So slow. Every echo keeps your outline near. I answer every shadow like you're standing here. If morning is a promise, let it take its time. I'll be waiting barefoot on the back of my mind. Wake gently later. Let the day run late. I'm holding this moment like smoke on a plate. If the world keeps turning, it can turn alone. Wake gently later. I'm staying in this tone. So slow, so slow. Wake gently later. Don't open that door. Leave the light leaning across the floor. Steam on the kettle, vinyl hiss slow. Morning in my marrow, nowhere to go. Old coat on the back of the chair, sun leans soft through the curtain there. Peace in the dust on the window frame. Breathe, move slow, call your name. Distance of war rolling under my skin like a tide in the dark, pulling me back in. Distance, distance. I feel you in my chest. Just a low soft hum rock my soul to rest. Oh yeah. Tea stain ring on the tabletop. Clock can drag like it won't stop. Thoughts drift far to a quiet shore. Barefoot sand, I've been here before. Distance of war rolling under my skin like a tide in the dark, pulling me back in. Distance, distance. I feel you in my chest. Just a low soft hum rock my soul to rest. Rock me slow. Every little worry fade in the floor. Every little echo open a door. If this is all I ever own, this calm, this room, I'm home. Distance of warmth rolling under my skin like a tide in the dark. clock on the dresser, losing my mind. Ash in a tray, fan barely turns. Your side is empty, my skin still burns. White space leave where you used to breathe. Just the ghosts of your hands on me. White space leave in the crease of the sheet. I keep reaching for someone I can't keep. Mark on the wall we painted last June. Cup in the sink still tastes like you. Street hums outside, slow distance sway. I float on my back, drifting away. White space where you used to breathe. Just the ghosts of your hands on me. White space in the crease of the sheet. I keep reaching for someone I can't keep. Every little thought takes the long way home. Name on my tongue, then it's gone. Then it's gone. White space sleep where you used to breathe. Just the ghosts of your hands on me. White space sleep.